You're on a plane to Tokyo, to LA and to places I don't know. And every time you're leaving home, I hate it, but I know it's not for long. When you travel down the coast, when you look across the shore, when you hear the ocean roar, I'm waiting for your call. When you make it to the island, sand beneath your feet, when I look at the horizon, well, you think of me. You are a traveler. My bed feels cold, oh, when you're gone. You are a traveler. You know that I love you when I let you go. You're taking off to Mexico, to Paris, and I know you long for more. I'm waiting for you all along. I wanna see the pictures on your phone. The sun goes down and the sun comes up. I wake up slow, I wonder where you've gone. You left the ground a while ago. I'm losing every
Studies Foundation. With me is Danisha Hassan to share studies. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Assalamu Alaikum. Suswagatam, ladies and gentlemen. It's a matter of great pride to host the best brains in insecurity researchers. Can plan a brainstorming session of sharing knowledge, skills, and curiosity for understanding how the digital world works. Well, United Conference on cyberspace is that
my bed feels cold, oh, when you're gone. You are a traveler.
Settle down. Spend time just running round. Hold tongues, don't shut your mouth. 'Cause you was the lost and found. So won't you go? Just run free. Take my body hand in hand and follow me. So won't you go and just run free. Take my body hand in hand and follow me. Our life can't be remade. Think big and imagine you won't live past 23, because time's a precious thing. So won't you go? Just run free. Take my body hand in hand. Follow me. So won't you